In September of 2022, the Spokane Superior Court submitted the above image to the county commissioners explaining why they were so behind on cases. That picture at the bottom, you'll notice it says, the Spokane Superior Court judges review complex civil motions on a weekly basis, requiring a significant amount of reading and legal research. The above photos illustrate the reading materials for the weekly motion preparation. This is interesting to me because as a civil lawyer for the last 20 years, trying cases in Spokane Superior Court, I have been one of those attorneys that appears in front of our courts, sometimes on a bi-weekly basis. I'm one of those attorneys that handles complex civil litigation. And actually, many times I'm attending court in this county and maybe the next county over in Grant County or Walla Walla County. And this is something that I'm very, very familiar with. It's not something that takes as much time as maybe had by the judges right now. I think it's something that an attorney with my experience could handle far easier. Why is that important? Because we have had an increase in civil filings. These filings include everything that include land disputes, the government taking somebody's property without compensation, or could handle a personal injury case where somebody's life has been changed and altered dramatically. That needs to be resolved. Could be an insurance bad faith case where an insurance company has refused to pay what it's contracted and agreed to pay. These things hold people's life in the balance. I remember reading in the Spokesman Review, when the Spokesman Review interviewed both my opponent and me, my opponent said something about a work-life balance. Well, I work about 12 to 14 hours a day right now as a civil lawyer, and I intend to do so as a judge, because I understand that people's lives are in the balance. I think if you're not willing to actually make sure our courts serve the people, then it's time to get off the bench.